We shall see how the information is stored on the disk. Unix file system is different, but on some file system, chained allocation is used. Suppose there is a file which is a.c and its contents are okay. We shall see one method by which it can be stored on disk. Disk has got blocks. Okay. Disk has got blocks A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Now, let us see what will be directory and what will be disk. In directory, in front of the file name, we shall write down the block addresses. File is WER. Suppose in block B, we write WER. Then in block I, we write YAS. Then in block G, we write DFG. And in block E, we write H. So first block is WER. Its address will be written here. Next block is YAS. So its address will be written at the last. Next block is DFG. Its address will be written here. And the next block is E. Its address will be written here. Is it correct? So this is how the disk will look. Any doubt? Ask any doubt. Otherwise, I am taking one more example. Suppose,
So can you explain once again?
I am explaining it with the help of once more from the very beginning. Suppose there is a file a.text and its contents are these are its contents. So what we do, we break its contents into blocks. So J, S, W, R, T, Y, and S, D. Suppose ZSW is in block C. RTY is in block J. And SB is in block A. So our directory entry corresponding to k.text will be you are fully correct. For every block, the last element is the address of the next block. You are fully correct, Suman. Is it correct? So our first block address is in the directory. Now, so directory contents will be ZSW, and the last one will be the address of the next block, which will be J, and in J it will be RTY, and the next will be A. In A it will be SB, and nothing is afterwards, so we shall write it Z. Z we are writing to denote that it is a AND. Is it correct? Any question? So you see, when we shall see what is A dot C, A dot C is B. Z denotes AND. Yes, Z denotes AND. Is it correct? A dot C is B. What is B? The after B, the last is I. In I, last is G. In G, last is E. And E, nothing is there. So let us see what is B. B is WER. I is YAS. G is DFG. And E is only H. In this way, we can get the entire file. Any doubt? Any doubt? So it is chained allocation. The address of the first block is in the directory. Address of the second block is at the end of the first block. Address of the third block is at the end of the second block. In this manner, the things proceed. No, block size is not 1. We are assuming that sufficiently big block size is there. Is it correct? Yes. Sufficiently big. Yes, we shall see the difference. There, all the block addresses were stored in the directory. But here, we were not storing all the block addresses in the directory. Only the first block address is in the directory, and the next block address is after it. Is it correct? Yes. What is your doubt? Okay. Now, so A dot C Logically, it is this. Logically, it is WER, IAS, D, F, G, and H. Logically, yes, this increases the time to access the memory region. To get the fourth block of a file, we have to go through 1, 2, 3. Yes, it increases. Okay. We cannot do direct access. We cannot do random access of a block. We have to do the sequential access. So this supports sequential address accessing. Fully correct. Okay. Now, yes, it is like a linked list only. Sai Krishna, it is like a linked list only. Now, so W is 0th letter. E is first letter. And 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. A is fourth letter. Is this correct? Fine. Let us delete G. When we delete G, question is not clear, Subham. Suppose you want to read.
Sir,
Well,
sir, if the file has been partitioned into say 4 blocks, why will we need to access the third block? Because the
region is, you see, where is the address of the fourth block of the file stored? At the end of the third block only. Is it all right?
सर मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि अगर कोई फाइल है उसको हमने 4 ब्लॉक्स में स्टोर किया है, तो ये जो टाइम वाली बात हो रही थी, तो उसमें ये हो रहा था कि हम लोग अगर सिर्फ थर्ड वाला ब्लॉक एक्सेस करना चाहें, लेकिन हमें क्यों चाहिए होगा अगर चारों ब्लॉक मिलकर एक फाइल बनाएंगे ना?
Just listen. How we can access the first block of the file A.C? We can read B. How we can access the second block? We shall first of all have to go to B. Then we shall come to know that the next block is I. Is it correct? What is the second block of a file? From the directory, we cannot find it out. From the directory, we shall come to know that the first block is WER. And from here, we shall come to know it is I. Is this all right to you?
Yes, sir. My question is just that, sir, if a file has has 4 blocks, then the meaning of the file would be only when we consider all the 4 blocks together, na?
That's all. Suppose you want to find out what is the last letter of the file, then
Okay, sir.
yes.
Okay.
Is it correct? Yes.
Yes,
We are
sir.
not interested in the entire file.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, suppose we want to delete G. What we shall get? WER, YAS, and DFG. Is it correct? Yes, certainly correct. We use this method to save space in directory. Directory will not store all the block addresses. It will only store the first block address. Yes. You see, delete G. In this DFG, we are deleting this G, so our file will be logically this. Is it correct? So what arrangement we shall be making into the disk? In the disk, this will be deleted. Is it clear to you? Any doubt? So in the disk, only one change will be made. Any doubt about it? Any doubt? Let us take one more example. We want to delete A. Logically, our file will be this. But what will happen on the disk? On the disk, there is YS. Why? This A will be deleted on the disk. Is this all right to you? Fine. Let us further proceed. That has to be found out. That has to be found out because sometimes such a confusion comes. In this DFGR block contains and E is address. Is it correct? In this S and D are block contains and Z is address. Is this all right to you? Is it correct? Yes. Let us further proceed. Insert K as the second letter. What will happen? Here K will be coming. But a block cannot store 4 data. So when it is overloaded, we shall split into 2 parts. So it will be WE and it will be KR. Let us see what is going to happen on disk. We are in B. WE. We shall take one free block. There we shall put KR. Its next address is I. And WE will be H. Is it clear? Why? B is WEH and H is KRI. Fully correct, Gyan. Logically, what we are making, when a block is overloaded, then we shall split. Is your doubt clear? Okay. No, no. Every block will contain at least 2 and at most 3 letters. Correct? It will not happen. Yes. Block size is 4, but one of them stores only address. So effective block size is 3. Yes. Is this all right to you? Let us see. Suppose there is a file m.c. M.c contains this is our m.c and logical in various blocks. It is this. We shall see to it. We shall see to it. Now, suppose a file m.c is like this. No, it is simply a matter of chance. It need not to be 2 3 2 3 alternate. Very easily it can be this way also. Is it correct? It was just a matter of chance. Suppose file is logically this. Delete W. When we delete W, our file will be this. Now, when some block doesn't lie in this limit, for example, we are seeing that the first block is underloaded. It only has one letter. So this will be transformed into this. Is this all right? When in the process of deletion, some block contains only one letter, then from the neighboring block, its load adjustment is done. Is your doubt clear? Let us try to make it in disk. Our disk is A, B, C, D, E. What is M dot C? M dot C, let first block is D. So D contains QW. And next of this is B. B contains ERS. And the next of this is E. E contains DFV. The next of this is A. A contains BH. Next of this is C. And C contains JK. And next of this is Z. This is our disk. Now, we are doing delete of W. Now, our disk will be this. Our first block is D. We are deleting W. So at present, we find that this D block is underloaded. Let us see the next block. Next block is E. This load of E will be transferred here. Is your doubt clear? No, no. Nilanjan, it is not the case. It is, they differ by n by 2. Suppose maximum size of the block is 5. Then the minimum size will be 5 by 2 upper bound. Is it correct? So in reality, they are differing by n by 2. Is it correct? Yes. Fine. Is this method clear to you? Let us try to understand it. Any doubt here? Yes. Not a question of empty. No block will ever get a chance to become empty. Is it correct? It will contain at least 2 elements all the time. So not a question of empty. It will contain at least 1 element. Is it correct? When every block has at least 2 and at most 3 letters, then 1 letter, then adjust load with neighbor. Is it correct? Now, we shall take one more example. Suppose a file is u.txt. It is this. And logically it is this. Suppose a file is like this. Let us see how will be in the form of blocks. Now A, B, C, D, E, S, X, C, G, H, I, F, P, M, T. Now so U dot text, our first block is D. From D we shall go to C. From C we shall go to E. From E we shall go to A. Is it correct? This is our file. Delete fourth letter. So what we shall get logical? What do you mean by A, B, C, D? This is not important to Sir. Let A, B, C, D are some blocks in which file contents are stored. So what will be happening in logical? We have deleted this. Now, we have deleted it. This block contains only one letter. This will be changed to. This will be changed to. We shall adjust the load with the neighbor. So our disk will become change like this. No, Nilanjan is wrong. Nilanjan is wrong. There was another possibility also. The next possibility was here it has two neighbors, previous neighbor or the next neighbor. The next neighbor has only two data. So both of them will be merged together. So this was the next possibility. And what could have been the case in this case? In this case, first is this. Then we shall go to C, G, H. G has been deleted. Now, rather than going to C, it will be made fully free. And we shall be going to E directly. Is your doubt clear? Is it correct? Is your doubt clear? If it is not clear, I will take one more example. Suppose it is given to us A, B, C, D, E, F, G is given. Delete D. Delete D. What we shall get? Now, we see that E has got two neighbors. This block which is underloaded has got two neighbors. So it can be AB, CE, FG or ABC, EFG. Fully correct. Is it correct? Any doubt now? Any doubt? When we delete a letter and the block is underloaded, we can either see the previous block or the next block. Is it correct? Let me take one more example. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Delete D. Can be right. What it can be? Right. Is your doubt clear? Yes, fully correct. Fully correct. Correct. Let us take this. PQR, PQ, RS, TU. Delete R. So we shall get PQ, comma R, comma TU. Can be PQR, TU or PQ, RTU. Any doubt? I have corrected it. Yes, 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 yes. I have corrected it. Let us assume that we are deleting S. Fully correct. Any doubt? Any doubt? Suppose, any doubt? Suppose we are having ABC, DE, insert M as first letter. We shall get A, M, B, C, D, E. Now, will be changed to A, M, B, C, D, E. Not this. We shall not change it to this. A, M, B, comma, C, D, E. This will not be the case. No, it can be other way around also. It can be other way around also. Suppose a block is having only one letter and the previous block has two letters. Then this letter will be transferred to the previous block. So Niranjan, you are not correct. Because when block is overloaded, other blocks are not involved. When a block is overloading, will always increase the number of the block. Prabhat is fully correct. Overloading will increase the number of the block. In the overloading, neighbors are not involved. Is it correct? No. We don't ensure minimum transfer of characters in case of deletion. Is it correct? Nilanjan, in case of deletion, even that is not correct. No. No, no. Forget, Nilanjan is wrong. Any doubt? Any doubt? In overloading, neighbors are not involved. We will split. In underloading, only one neighbor is involved. That is correct. Overloading will lead to decomposition only. Is it correct? Yes. Method is like this. Is it correct? In method is that in overloading, neighbors are not involved. Is it correct? Yes. Splitting. And in case of underloading, only one neighbor is involved. It may be left neighbor or the right neighbor. And then we can transfer it. Is it correct? Yes. Is your doubt clear? Any doubt? Not union and decomposition. No, wrong. In overloading, split. Split. Underloading. In case of underloading, we may do merge. This is called union or shifting, not decomposition. In case of underloading, decomposition will not be done. Either merge will be done or the shifting will be done. Is it correct? Let us take one more example. UV GHI. Delete U. When we delete U, DG, HI. Is it correct? Suppose it is QWER. Delete Q. It will be WER. Is it correct? No. You see, we shall apply merging if after merging it is not overloaded. Is it correct? If after merging it is getting overloaded, then we shall not apply merging. We shall only be applying shifting. Yes, we merge only when the new block size is less than or equal to 3. Nilanjan is fully correct. Fully correct. Is it correct? Here we will apply merging, but here we cannot apply merging. We shall transfer the load. Any doubt about it? Any question? Any doubt? Now, we shall see the Unix file structure very soon. Here, hierarchy of the blocks are there. I will tell you. Suppose my file is it can be stored as this will be transformed to we shall soon talk about indexed structuring. This will be hierarchy. No, not a question of first splitting. Okay, let us see this. File is this, delete T. We get this. Now, we have two options. Either I can pick up the left neighbor or right neighbor. So it will be QW, EY, RSE or QWE, IS, IR, SE. Is it correct? In case of deletion, there is no split. There is either merge or shift. No split in case of deletion. Is it clear? No. You see, we are not splitting QWE. We are simply transferring E from the first block to the second block. That is correct. In case of deletion, one extra block may be involved. Is it correct? In case of deletion, one extra block will be involved, which will be either left neighbor or right neighbor. Now, we shall study Unix file system in which there will be hierarchy of this structure. Our file is this. It may be decomposed in these blocks. These three blocks will be in the form of one block. Is it correct? These three blocks will be in the form of one block. And let us see. I have not understood it. What are you writing? Now, delete. Insert M as first letter. What will happen? Certainly, one block is overloaded. This will change to QM, WE, RT, YU, IGH, SB. Now I am seeing this is now having 4. This will now change to QM, WE, and RTYU, and IGH, SB. Is it correct? So you see, in every block there is 2 letters or 3 letters. Then these 3 blocks are combined in the form of one super block. And every super block will contain 3 blocks or 2 blocks. Once we are inserting M, then what is happening? Once we insert M, this block is overloaded. So this is decomposed into 2 blocks. Now, this super block is overloaded, which is further decomposed in this manner. We shall further see this. Suppose we are having A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. And here we are writing I, J, then K, L. Delete J. Yes, it forms a tree. Fully correct, Nilanjan. Super block contains at most 3 blocks, not 4. Super block contains at most 3 blocks, not 4. clear to you? Same structure. Here, first super block was containing 3 blocks and second super block was containing 2 blocks. We are deleting K. The second super block, one of the block is underloaded. We merge it. Now, the second super block contains only one block. So again, the same method will be applied. It will try to take the load of the neighboring block. Is it clear to you? Now, class is over. Discussion can be done. Any doubt? Class is over. Any discussion can be done. Any doubt? I am explaining. I am explaining. Merge shift. Tushar, right? What will you do in this case, Tushar? Tushar, what will you will do? That is correct. Then we shall take a higher super block. Is it correct? Then we shall take a higher super block. Yes, fully correct. Is it correct, Tushar? Now, delete I. Tushar, delete I. So in the first case, nothing was done. In the first case, nothing was done. What Suman told? Suman told that if the number of the super blocks are more than 3, then what will be done? Is it correct? Then there will be another method of maintaining super of the super blocks. Is it correct? Which is followed in Unix. No, yes. So what will be done? Initially, it will be H, comma JKL, comma MN. Then we shall change to H, J, comma KL, comma MN. Here we did shifting. Is this correct, sir? Now, do it now, Tushar. You send me a mail and I will send it to you. Is it correct, Prabhat? You send me a mail. Here it will create confusion. Delete Q. Here we do merge. Yes, you are fully correct. Size of the block and the size of super block is the same, which we are assuming. Later on, it may not be the case. Is it correct? Okay. For the time being, we assume like that. Now, no, I have stopped recording. Why do you want recording? Is it correct? I am simply answering the questions of Tushar. I am not teaching anything. I am simply answering the question of Tushar.